harmonic progression. So here, when we assume a plus d, a plus 2d and so on as in arithmetic progression, then the reciprocal of those terms, that is 1 by a plus d, 1 by a plus 2d and dash dash, will be in harmonic progression. So here harmonic progression in abbreviation, so it can be denoted by means of HP. So we are going to deal the introduction topic of this harmonic progression in an advanced level. So here in this case, so I am going to assume a sequence which is in the form of 1 by 5, 1 by 7, 1 by 9, 1 by 11 and so on. So here let us assume or let us suppose that a sequence of order say 1 by 5, 1 by 7, 1 by 9, 1 by 11, comma, dash dash, consisting infinite number of terms in it. Then we know that the reciprocals of the sequence which is above is of. So here we are going to write the reciprocals of these terms of the sequence. Then the reciprocal terms will be of 1 by 5. The reciprocal of 1 by 5 will be of 5 by 1. 5 by 1 is equals to just 5. So similarly, the reciprocal of 1 by 7 will be of 7 by 1. So 7 by 1 is equals to just 7. Similarly, 1 by 9's reciprocal is of 9 and 1 by 11's reciprocal is of 11 and similarly and so on. So here there are of infinite number of terms in it. Whereas here, let us see this sequence consisting the terms. The first term is of 5, the second term is of 7, the third term is of 9 and the fourth term is of 11 and so on. But here let us identify whether the sequence, the given sequence that is of reciprocals of the given, is in the arithmetic progression or the geometric progression. So here generally the first term, so here T1 is denoted by means of a letter that is A. So here the first term is of 5. So in this manner I got the first term, that is therefore A is equals to 5. Then now, so here I want to find out the difference of first two consecutive terms and next two consecutive terms and the next third term and the fourth term. So similarly and so on. So the difference of the first two terms is of, that is T2 minus T1. The next logical step will be of difference. Diff indicates difference of first two consecutive terms is given by means of, so that equals to T2 minus T1. So here T2 minus T1, that is the difference between the first two consecutive terms, is of, the second term is of 7 and the first term is of 5. Then now second term by means of 7 minus first term is of 5. 7 minus 5 is of 2. So in this manner I got the difference between the first two terms T1 minus T2 is of 2. At the same time, so I want to find out the difference between the next two consecutive terms. So here T2 minus T1, the next two terms are of T2 and T3. So T3 minus T2 is the difference between the next two consecutive terms. So that equals to T3 is of 9 and T2 is of 7. So third term is of 9 and the second term is of 7. Second term is of 7. So here 9 minus 7 is of 2. So in this manner, so I got T3 minus T2 is equals to 2. Similarly and so on. So here I want to find out the difference between the third term and the fourth term. So here the next next two consecutive terms, which has fourth term and as well as the third term. The difference between the fourth and third term, that is T4 minus T3, is given by means of, as per the sequence, the fourth term is of 11 and the third term is of 9. So here fourth term by means of 11 and the third term is of 9. So 11 minus 9 is of 2. So in this manner I got. So T4 minus T3 is equals to 2 again. By observing these three cases, in the first case, so here we got the difference of the first two consecutive terms as 2. The difference of the next two consecutive terms is of 2. And the difference of the last two terms is of also of 2. The difference is common. So it will be called as the common difference. So here therefore, so the difference is of common throughout the series. Therefore, it will be called as the common difference. So generally denoted by means of D is equals to 2. So here this is the condition. So here according to the condition, so here or as per condition, that is T2 minus T1 is equals to T3 minus T2 is equals to T4 minus T3 as per this condition. So here the sequence is of in arithmetic progression. So here since T2 minus T1 is equals to T3 minus T2, hence the sequence, which is nothing but 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on up to infinity number of terms, is in arithmetic progression. So is in arithmetic progression. So here from this it is clear that if if 1 by 5, 1 by 7, 1 by 9, 1 by 11, dash dash are in harmonic progression. So here we have assumed in the beginning that, so here let us assume the order sequence. I say here this sequence. Are in harmonic progression, then reciprocals. Say 5, 7, 9, 11 dash dash are in arithmetic progression. So now let us write the definition of the harmonic progression. Here the definition of the harmonic progression is of, a progression is said to be a harmonic progression if its reciprocal terms of the given sequence forms an arithmetic progression. So a progression is said to be a harmonic progression. So generally, so here harmonic progression is denoted by means of, in abbreviation we can write it as HP, is said to be harmonic progression if the reciprocal terms of given sequence or given series forms an arithmetic progression. So here arithmetic progression is generally here denoted by means of AP. So in this manner, if 5, 7, 9, 11 are in AP arithmetic progression, then the reciprocals 1 by 5, 1 by 7, 1 by 9, 1 by 11 will be in HP, that is harmonic progression, and vice versa. In case if 1 by 7, 1 by 7, 1 by 9, 1 by 11 are in harmonic progression, then the reciprocals 5, 7, 9, 11 will be in arithmetic progression.